Today in Pixelmator I'm going to show you how to draw a hexagon out of a polygon, or using the polygon tool. So the first thing you need to do is, if you have your ruler up, right click and make sure it's set on percent. Then you'll need to drag a vertical guide to 50% and a horizontal guide to 50%. And then we'll create a circle. I've got the stroke set at 1 pixel and make it red. I'm going to make the actual the hexagon a different color. So now to make a perfect circle, I selected the ellipse tool and I hold down shift while I drag to make a perfect circle. And then I'm just going to pull this down so it snaps to the middle. And I don't know if you can see it in the screen capture, but these lines slightly light up a darker blue color when it's in the perfect center of both of those. So now I'm going to duplicate that circle. We need to create 3 circles total. So I'm going to press Command C to copy and Command V to paste. And so then I will drag this one over here to the left side so it snaps in, so it's taking up exactly half of the left side. Then I'm going to press Command V again. I'm going to drag this circle so it takes up exactly half of the right side. Now I need to add a few more guides where these circles intersect. So I'm going to drag a guide here to where those intersect on that side. Drag another guide here. There. And one here. Oops. That fell down a little bit. Let me try to adjust that. And I'll drag one right about there. Okay, so that's what I need for my guides. Now what I'll do is select the polygon shape, and I'll just go ahead and draw it out here. I'll make the color black. Let's do 3 pixels. Wide is good enough on the stroke for it. I'll go ahead and move it into place. We've got to have a point at each of these intersecting points on the grid lines that we just drew, but to make it a hexagon I need another point. Actually, let me drag this over. I'm actually going to just drag it so it's in the center of all this. Drag that up so it's on. Well, don't worry about that for now. And then I am going to create actually, to make it a hexagon, it needs to have another point in it. So I'm going to say make editable. I'm going to add a point. And this is important that you click and say sharp, right click and say sharp on the dot. And so now I'm just going to move these dots to the intersecting points. So I'll move this here so it snaps up there. I'll move this one here so it snaps there. I'll move this one so it snaps at the edge of the circle and that horizontal line. And I'll move this one so it snaps there at the same point. And these will need to be here and here. And there you have a hexagon. And if you need to, of course, duplicate it, you can do that. And the neat thing about this is it makes vectored hexagons, so you can drag and make them bigger. Of course, if you need to retain the shape, you can just hold Shift, and so it stays perfect on all sides. Anyway, that's how you make a hexagon. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions.